You're hitting your numbers, so why does it feel like you're still failing? It's because results without relationships are hollow. Sure, you can push people to hit targets, you can micromanage every detail, you can even rule with an iron fist. But what happens when you're not there? What happens when your best employee gets a better offer? What happens when the pressure gets too high? You see, sustainable success comes from getting results through people, not despite them. The Modern Manufacturing Leadership Workbook teaches you how to build a team that delivers results because they're committed to the mission, not because they're afraid of you. If you want results that last, search Modern Manufacturing Leadership and learn how to lead for the long haul. Corporate companies, click opexleaders.com to learn more about our training programs. Up and coming leaders, comment, join down below, and you'll get information on how to join our MML Mastermind group. I'll see you on the other side.